Exhibitions often serve as a stage for new idea and shared knowledge, with many seeing them as a form of entertainment or an escape from daily life. But what if there was an exhibition that made you confront a reality you never knew existed? Satlok Ashram, under the guidance of Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji, present such an experience, a unique spiritual exhibition that challenges perceptions and opens eyes. Today we are present at the main gate of spiritual exhibition. To know to know more about this spiritual exhibition, let's go inside the spiritual exhibition. There are so many guides which guide us. There are so many guides present. Let's talk one of them, Mr. Upender Raraji from Himachal Pradesh, joining us now. Let's talk to them. Hello, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, where are you from?
I am from Munna, Himachal.
Sir, today we presented Satlugashram Khamano, which organized a spiritual exhibition. What is the purpose of this exhibition, sir?
First of all, I am thankful to your channel for covering this wide, auspicious occasion. As about this celebration, I would like to tell you that about 600 years ago, when Kabir ji was present on this earth in the form of a saint or a sage, and he lived like a poor beaver. And in his life, uh, once upon a time, Sheikh Taki, who was a religious peer of Delhi King Skandar Lodi, who was jealous of Kabir ji because Skandar Lodi was fond of Kabir ji because of Kabir ji had calmed down his disease of burning in his stomach. Due to that, he was fond of Kabir ji. Oh, Skandar Lodi was jealous of it. Oh, due to that, Sheikh Taki distributed false letters, fake letters, in the name of Lord Kabir ji, son of Nehru, saying that he is presenting a feast, a grand feast to about 18 lakh people all over India. So he will give a very melodious diet to all of them and will provide gold coin along with a blanket. So in that process, he you will find that here, but is depicted in the pictures. Here he is handing over the bucket of letters to his disciples, and in that process, he also invited Delhi King Skandar Lodi in the process, and you will find that on the call of Sheikh Taki, 18 lakh sadhus entered Kashi city, and Ravidas ji, who was also a companion of Lord Kabir ji, he went outside in the early morning and saw that lakhs of sadhus are wandering in Kashi city. So he asked them, "Why you are here?" Then the sadhu said to Ravidas ji that you don't know what is the occasion. Kabir ji had invited all of us for a grand feast. So that is why we are here. Ravidas ji bent back to Lord Kabir ji and narrated the whole story. Kabir ji said that shut down the door and sit inside the hut and let them wander outside. And in the meantime, meantime, in the meantime, Kabir ji incarnated himself as Kesho Banjara, a businessman who is capable of providing food to lakhs of people. So in that process, Kabir ji, in the form of Kesho Banjara, brought ready-made food from Satlok, his native place, to in the Kashi city, and started grand feast in the Kashi city, in the main bazaar of the Kashi city, with a
Which is Chopad Bazaar.
uh, named as Chopad Ka Bazaar. Here you will see that lakhs of sadhus are sitting and eating a melodious diet provided by Lord Kabirji in the form of Kesho Manjara. You can see here in this picture. And also there is distribution of very best quality blankets and gold coins. You can see here. In the meantime, Delhi King Sikandar Lodi, who was also invited by Sheikh Taki, also reached the grand site in Kashi. Oh, he saw that people are taking melodious diet, and Sheikh Taki was very much annoyed to see that this act has been done by Lord Kabirji. So, but Sikandar Lodi went to Lord Kabirji's hut and knocked the door. You can see here Sikandar Lodi, king of Delhi, knocking the door of Kabirji. Sikandar Lodi requested Lord Kabirji to open the door, but Kabirji from inside spoke that we will not open the door because the people of Kashi are not uh, seeing eye to eye to be people because they are annoyed at us. We will not open the door. But Sikandar Lodi persisted. So due to that, Lord Kabirji asked Ravi Das ji to open the door, and you will find in the next picture. You will see here Lord Kabirji and Ravi Das ji came out of the hut after opening the door, and Sikandar Lodi is standing before them with folded hands, and there is a miracle crown coming out from the sky along with a rain of flowers coming out from the sky on the head of Lord Kabirji. And in the next picture, you will find that Sikandar Lodi is laying straight in the feet of Lord Kabirji to express his gratitude to Lord Kabirji. Then in the next, here Ravidas ji, who were residing along with Lord Kabirji, was doing chamar to Lord Kabirji, and Sikandar Lodi requested Ravidas ji that you are doing it daily. Now let me to do it. So Lord Sikandar Lodi asked Lord Kabirji to sit in his own requested Lord Kabirji to sit in the plankin on the back of elephant of Sikandar Lodi. So Kabirji sit in place of Sikandar Lodi, and Sikandar Lodi sit in the back seat and was doing chamar on Lord Kabirji. And both of them reached the feast site, and Lord Kabirji went to Kesho Banjara. They went on a dialogue with each other for 8 hours. The dialogue between Lord Kabirji and Kesho Banjara, another incarnated form of Lord Kabirji, continued for about 24 hours, and people were watching about there along with Sikandar Lodi. Oh, a grand dialogue between both of them continued. Lakhs of people, by hearing the spiritual discussion between Lord Kabirji and Kesho Banjara, took Nam Diksha from Lord Kabirji in that process. And at the end, you will find that Lord Kabir ji and Keshav Banjara merged with each other, and in the end, Lord Kabir ji remained there. Keshav Banjara merged into the body of Lord Kabir ji. By seeing this, all the people were astonished, saying that the soon after the completion of 3-day grand feast by Lord Kabir ji in the form of Keshav Banjara, you will find that in the next picture here over, Sikandar Lodi is standing with folded hands before Lord Kabir ji and Keshav Banjara, and in a very few moments you will see that the Keshav Banjara and all the uh, who distributed grand feast brought by the people brought by Keshav Banjara disappeared soon, and Sikandar Lodi asked where those people had gone away. Oh, Kabirji said they had gone to the place from where they had come from. Now here you will find that there are pictures depicting the life histories of those people whom Lord Kabirji met as Jinda forum of Lord Kabirji. You will find in the first one there is Maluk Das ji, who was a Reverend Maluk Das ji, who was also a disciple of Lord Kabir ji. Then you will find that Mirabai. You can read out the write up here. Then next you will find that Sant Garib Das ji, he was 10-year-old child in the year 1727 when Lord Kabir ji met him as Jinda Mahatma and took to his eternal abode Satlok, from where he described all the knowledge about the creation of this universe of previous as well as coming years, and then left back. Then Lord Kabir ji गलत हो गया. You will find here in this picture that Sant Garib Das ji, who was 10-year-old child at that time in the year 1727, and after 3 years of meeting with Lord Kabir ji, Sant Garib Das ji wrote a pious book, Sat Granth Sahib. Of that Granth Sahib, the part of that Granth Sahib is going on in 11 ashrams of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in India as well as Nepal. That is known as Subtle Ved, Suksham Ved. And in the next picture you will find that Guru Nanak Dev Ji sitting along with Lord Kabir Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji also met Lord you will find that in this picture you will find that Lord Kabir Ji met Guru Nanak Dev Ji on the bank of Bain river in Kartarpur, Punjab, and at that time Kabir Ji described all about his knowledge of Satlok, Sachkhand, take Guru Nanak Dev Ji into Satlok and left back after 3 days. You know that Guru Nanak Dev Ji is a forerunner of Sikh Panth. After that, Sikh religion is continuing. And in the next picture, you will find that Sant Dadu Das Ji is sitting along with Lord Kabir Ji. Lord Kabir Ji also met Dadu Das Ji, and in the same way, as you see in the previous pictures, Dadu Ji also explained the same version, same knowledge of Lord Kabir Ji. And in the next picture, you will find that it is a very important picture of Lord Kabir Ji along with Dharmdas Ji. Lord Kabir Ji along with Dharmdas Ji, in which you will find the write up. It is important because it is a time when Lord Kabir Ji was present as a weaver, as a saint in Kashi, and in that process, Lord Kabir Ji met Dharmdas Ji, and Dharmdas Ji wrote all the knowledge described by Lord Kabir Ji in his own words after hearing from Lord Kabir Ji.
इसको तो skip कर.
You will find in this picture that Lord Kabir Ji met Sant Rampal Ji in the year 1997. This picture is important because Sant Rampal Ji took Nam Diksha in the year 1988 from Swami Ramdevanand Ji Maharaj, and you will be astonished to see that starting from Lord Kabir Ji to Sant Garibdas Ji Maharaj, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is the 11th in the process and the last saint of Sant Garibdas Ji's Panth in this process. So Lord Kabir Ji gave his knowledge to Sant Garibdas Ji, who wrote up that knowledge in the Sat Granth Sahib of Sant Garibdas Ji Maharaj, and Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj had got that knowledge, and now knowing the importance of that knowledge, that people are stuck in the hands of death god Kal, Sant Rampal Ji started preaching the knowledge given in the Sat Granth Sahib of Sant Garibdas Ji Maharaj, and now he is running it all over the world to make the people freed from the clutches of death god Kal. There is a picture depicting all large number of religious books and a picture of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, and there is a speak of the knowledge of Lord Kabir Ji, in which features of a complete saint are mentioned, in which it is depicted that a complete saint is that who speaks in a very soft tone, with soft and sweet tone, and explains all the Vedas, Shastras, and Puranas knowledge in his own words, after depicting in those holy books. In the next picture, you will find an inverted people tree, which is explained by Lord Kabir Ji, and now is explained by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, in which all the heavenly bodies are explained about Param Akshar Brahm, Akshar Brahm, and Brahm, and Brahma Vishnu Mahesh. And in the next picture, you will find all the galaxies present, which are created by Lord Kabir Ji at the time of creation. So there are numberless galaxies which are distinguished in three parts of Shar Brahm, Akshar Brahm, and Param Akshar Brahm. And in the next pictures, you will see there are write-ups depicting the knowledge of Lord Kabir Ji in Vedas, Guru Granth Sahib, Quran, Bible. Here onward, you will find a brief description about the knowledge given by Sant Rampal Ji on the basis of Vedas. You can read it here in this next picture. You will find that Sant Rampal Ji's portrait is been displayed along with the write-ups of the Vedas, brief description of Vedas. You will find here Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Athar Ved, Sam Ved, all are depicted, in which it is mentioned that Lord Kabir Ji is a real God, while all other names which are present in the present day world, they are not present in all these Vedas. Lord Kabir Ji is the one who created this universe, is mentioned in Athar Ved, Anuvak number 1, Kand number 4, Mantra number 1 to 7. You can see at the top. Then in the next, you will find Rigved Mandal number 9, Sukat 96, and Mantra 18, in which it is mentioned that it is Kabir Mitaja. ये कबीर नाम is mentioned here in the Vedas, Rig Veda, that entered this universe as a small child and explained all his knowledge in the form of poems, stanzas, proverbs, idioms, and got the Rig Veda, Mandal number 9, Sukha number 96, Mantar 17 to 20, that Lord Kabir ji appeared as a child and then explained all his knowledge in the form of poems, proverbs, idioms, and got the rank of a poet in that process. But it is written that he is actually the complete God, Lord Kabir ji, who is the creator of all. In the next, you will find in Yajurved, it is mentioned that Almighty Lord Kabir ji is in form. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, you will see in the picture that Lord Kabir ji is mentioned as in form God in Yajurved, lesson number 5, mantra number 32. Here, all other lesson chapters are also mentioned in Yajurved. Then in Rig Veda, Sam Veda, you can see here. Here you will find that the real Gayatri mantra mentioned in lesson 36 and mantra 3 of Yajurved, in which Om is not mentioned along with it, you can find in the real text of Sanskrit in Yajurved, lesson 36.
Books are ocean of knowledge which makes us aware of reality. As we can see that there is spiritual book section, Shrimad Bhagavad Gita, Pavitra Puran, Quran Sharif, all religions books are collected here.
Here you will see that there are all pious books of 4 religions are kept here on the very finely presented on a table. You can see there are 18 Purans, then there is Bhagavad Gita, there is books written by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, there are books, pious books, Quran Sharif, Bible, then there are holy Vedas, there are also books related to Sikh religion, there is Janam Sakhi by Wale Wali, along with Pran Sangli Granth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. You can find here. You can check them that Lord Kabir Ji is mentioned in all these books in one way or the other way as a complete Almighty that can salvate us and can provide us salvation to take us back to eternity. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for covering this pious occasion for your audience. Oh, I am thankful to your channel for covering this Divya Dharm Jagya Divas being organized by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, and you find all the depictions which are regulated by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj in 11 ashrams, including India and Nepal, all over the world. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir, thank you. This spiritual exhibition quietly but strongly impacted every visitor for years. This exhibition is tribute to God Kabir Ji, whose timeless wisdom inspire millions across generation. Hope you like our report. If you know more about these kind of report, stay connected with SA News. Thank you so much.